Hey parents and kiddos, it's September 21st and I thought I'd just go ahead and check in with you and explain to you exactly what you needed to have your student or students, what you needed to be working on as far as your personal narrative goes. So right now you should see on your screen your OLS. First of all, I want to tell you how you can turn your assignment in. So you absolutely can send me your assignment in email. The other way that you can do it is to come over to the left-hand side and click on resources. And after you do that, you'll see up in the right-hand corner, it says file sharing. So have your learning coach go ahead and help you with this. The steps are pretty self-explanatory, but you're going to go ahead and click the upload button, and then you're going to find your file. So if your file is a photograph, a picture file of the rough draft from your activity book, that's just fine. Or you can choose to put it in Microsoft Word. Okay, so that's how you're going to, that's one way that you can turn it in. Just make sure, let me just show you real quick, that when you upload it, there is a share button. So make sure that you click the share button or it doesn't actually go all the way through. Okay. If you are not finished with your personal narrative, I want you to work on that as soon as you're able, because we are working on revision this week. So I'm actually opened up, this is lesson 2.5, which was from 2 weeks ago, and has the information for kids and for learning coaches on how to get started on your writing. All the PDFs that are in this assignment are also located in your activity book starting on page 59. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this up for you so you can see, parents, exactly what it is that we're looking for from our students. We're asking them to write about a meaningful moment in their life. That's a really wide open topic, and that's done on purpose. And then you'll see these bullet points. They do explain to you and to the students what exactly we're looking for in their story. Okay. The length down here, 300 to 400 words long, approximately 4 to 6 handwritten drafting pages, or 1.5 pages typed and double spaced. That is definitely our goal in the end piece. So if your student is unable to come up with enough description and detail to get a piece of writing that is that long on their rough draft, that is okay. That's why I'm here. We're going to work on those, and we're going to work to add detail and all of that as we go through the revision part of the assignment. This is the second page, so the kiddos in their book could have listed as many topics as they could come up with. They have to make sure the topic is small enough to be able to tell it in a couple of pages, but also make sure that they choose something that's big enough that it has enough details. That's something we've really talked about in class. Okay, so that is the beginning of what you would see in the lesson as far as drafting goes. Let's see, I think this is the same. Yeah, this is the same. It's just the black and white version of it. Okay, the kids can write directly into their activity book. You can take a photograph and it can be uploaded that way, or they can type into Microsoft Word. That's completely up to you. At this point, I would just like all of my students to have a piece of writing turned in so that we can work on all of these different things like characters and setting and dialogue and description as we work through this piece. Please know that students are going to be working on their same piece of writing for several units. We'll just keep bringing it back and adding more to it. Please let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, I really look forward to seeing those kiddos writing, and I appreciate your support and your help at home.